Afternoon baseball now on a Southern California Sunday at Angel Stadium of Anaheim. Today it's the third and final game in this three-game interleague series between the Miami Marlins. Tyler Skaggs gets the starting nod for the Halos. What do you have for us on him, Danny?
Hey, it's hard to have all four of your pitches on, but I think if this guy can have 2 or 3 of his 4 pitches and have command of them, he's going to have a really good game.
Low with a fastball here in the dirt even. It's ball 1. These Angels, Harold, as they enter play here this afternoon, they came out on the losing end last time out and are in a bit of a skid. In fact, they've lost 7 of their last 10.
Yeah, Matt, I mean, this is a big game. Nobody likes to get swept in the series. Losing the first 2 games kind of put their backs against the wall. We'll see how they respond as they try to get 1 win in this place as they get ready to get out of here.
Grounder down the line at third. And that's through for a hit. Giancarlo Stanton will get a chance in the inning following the base hit. And he's safe. Giancarlo Stanton now, and as you can tell easily from the splits, he's really struggled away from their home ballpark. Here he comes on a ball and 2 strikes. Hit hard on the ground towards second, and that's through into right field for a base hit. Brown rounds the corner and is headed home, but no, he'll put on the brakes and head back to third. Standing in, JT Realmuto. Not the shiniest of batting average as he comes in hitting down in the 220s for the year. 1-2, here it comes. Hit hard on the ground to first. And the 2-out threat will not come to pass as the inning is over. Marlins strand a pair. Now the Angels will get their first crack at it. Here's Marwin Gonzalez now. He drove in one of their 2 runs in last night's ball game.
Marwin Gonzalez.
Fly ball into straightaway left. Moving under it, Brown, 1 away. Well, here's your eye on, Dan.
Well, this club really needs Andrelton Simmons to turn it around. Watching his last game, he went over.
Now batting, Catfish Brown.
Catfish Brown.
Here's the first pitch to him. Runner goes for second. Swing, and that's hit out of play up into the plaza level. The 0-1 pitch. And a pitch out. Nothing doing, though, and that's ball 1. He's set. Here comes the 1-1. There's a swing and a ball lifted to left, but back in the seats, out of play. It's 1-2. Now we'll step off and fire to the bag. Don't want to forget about him. A ball and 2 strikes. Here's the pitch. And a neck-high fastball that time.
So that's 2 pitches in a row above the belt. As a hitter, that's what you're looking for, especially when it's a day game and the ball is carrying. That just wasn't a good enough pitch to hit.
Pause. Now the pitch. And now this ball's lifted in the air down the right field line, but this will get back into the seats, so the count holds at 2-2.
Well, he fouls off that fastball right there, and you wonder, does he love his fastball enough to come back with it 3 times in a row?
And another foul ball.
That is the 4th foul ball of this AB right here. He's seeing a lot of pitches.
Another try at 2-2. And again, he's unable to keep it fair, but he's putting together quite a battle at the plate. Ready with another 2-2. Swing and a miss at 1 in the dirt. Up with it, Maldonado. The throw to first is in time, and the inning is over. Marlins leave 1. In now is Andrelton Simmons.
The batter,
0 for 1 for him here in this one.
Andrelton Simmons.
Swung on and hit in the air to left. Brown is there, and that's the first out of the inning. Here's Marwin Gonzalez now. No hits
First
in 2
baseman,
trips to the
number
plate
9.
for him in the ball game.
Marwin Gonzalez.
Hey, now we got 2. We got 2. Making your pitch here.
Ready on 1 and 2. Swing and a looper to left. Brown is there, and he puts it away to stop the bleeding. So it's 4 runs on 5 hits, no errors, and a man. Now at the plate, Catfish
Now
Brown.
batting,
1
left
for 2
fielder,
with a double on the
Catfish
ledger so far.
Brown.
Off the plate and low here, ball 1.
Look, this is a big half inning. Look, they're down a little bit right now, but if they get something going, it's still early in the game. This is a huge inning and a huge at-bat.
That one's going to find the seats. Strike 1.
Hey, looking for yours now. Come on, kid.
Ready to deal. Here's the 1-1. Hit on the ground out to short. Simmons with a slide. Wow.
Wow, that was a great job to rob him of an RBI single. Showed some great athleticism, and it winds up being an RBI groundout.
Here's the center fielder,
That's
Mike
center
Trout.
fielder.
Career
Number
numbers against
27.
Chen, a 3 for 12 line. He's taken him deep once. The windup and the 0-2 pitch. Skied in the air to straightaway left. Brown over to his right. 2 gone. Trying to pick things up where he left
The
off.
left fielder,
Adam
number
Duvall.
23.
He doubled earlier
Adam
in the game.
Duvall.
1 for 2 to this point. Pulled high in the air out to left field. Brown is underneath this one, and he will make the catch, so that'll do it. Angels are gone in order, but they hold on to a 4-3 lead. Digging in and looking for more, Martin
Now batting,
Maldonado.
Catcher.
He's 1 for 2 in the ball game.
Maldonado.
And this is in the air now out to left. And he'll get there in plenty of time to put this one away, and that ends the inning. Angels strand a couple, but they hang on to. Now at the plate, Adam Duvall.
Up next for the
It was a
Angels,
flyout for
left
him in his
fielder,
last trip.
Adam Duvall.
Goes down to get this thing as this is lifted in the air to straightaway left. And that's going to fall for a base hit. And they'll quickly get it in here to hold that runner at third base.
Well, that one's going to load the bases up. They held the runner up. They're really looking for a big inning right here, trying to get a big strike out of the next 2 hitters coming up.
In now, Andrelton Simmons.
batting,
He's
the
looking to
shortstop,
deliver here with the bases loaded and 2 out in the inning.
Simmons.
2 down now. 2 down.
From the belt, kicks and deals. Now a ball hit in the air to straightaway left. This is carrying well. Out of here. So he will touch him all on the grand slam. Home run number 2 for him on the year, as it's now a 6-run ball game.
Man, that has to hurt. He was 1 pitch away from getting
Leading off
out of
for
the
Miami.
inning without the
Left
wheels
fielder,
coming completely
Catfish
off. But guess what?
Brown.
Now this thing is stripped and on blocks.
Chopped weakly to the left. And a close play at first, but a great stretch that time as they get him by a step for out number 1. So striding forward now,
And leading off for the
Martin
halo.
Maldonado. He'll lead
Catcher,
things off as they look to perhaps
Martin
build on an already
Maldonado.
sizable lead. This one's flared out toward left. And that's in there, base hit. So it's a leadoff base hit to open their half of the 8th. Settling in now, Marwin Gonzalez.
First baseman,
He
number
flew
9,
out in his last at-bat.
Marwin Gonzalez.
The 0-2 home. Here's a shot to left field and deep. Look at this. And out of here. And I mean by plenty. That ball was crushed.
Boy, this guy's hot right now. Hit a bomb yesterday and hit another tape measure.
Ready now, Adam
Now
Duvall.
batting.
He's doubled
Left
and
fielder,
singled in 4
Adam
at-bats in this
Duvall.
contest. From the windup, the 1-1 pitch. Swung on and hit in the air to left. Brown is after it. He's there to track it down, and that'll end the inning. So it's 2 runs here on 2 hits, with one of them being the home.
Wow, a 9-out save. That's 3 full innings. You don't see that very often these days. It's awfully nice to have a guy in the back end of your bullpen that can pitch that kind of work.
11-3 the final score in this contest. On a balmy summer night in the Rocky Mountains, the show comes to you from Coors Field in downtown Denver. Tonight it's the first of 3 to start the new week. Greg Hansen, a right-handed native of the Dominican Republic, will be the starter. What's your take on him, H?
Well, Matt, last outing he only pitched
Left
4
fielder,
innings. So I know he was
Catfish.
disappointed, as was their coaching staff. They're hoping he can get to the 5th, maybe even the 6th inning. He does that, it allows their bullpen a little more lean and gives them a chance to win. So that's what we're looking for in this game.
And this is off the corner and low, ball 1. Harold, as we take a look at the Rockies starting play here tonight, 4-2 over their last 6 games, including a win last time out.
They played good ball yesterday and pulled off a W. Let's see if they're able to keep that momentum going and play good again this one and win another game.
Hey, let's go, big fella.
Swing, and that's hit out of play up into the plaza level.
See it, drive it like you can. Let's go.
2 balls and a strike. Here it is. A little bouncer. Runner at second here with 1 man out.
Hey, get your pitch right up there, huh? Let's go, kid.
3rd foul ball in a row, and this is turning into a pretty good at-bat.
A lot of times you see guys in the middle of the order get worked away, but not right here. They're keeping it inside on him.
He's set. Here's the 2-2. And here's a ball hit in the air. Gonzalez sprinting after it. He's got it. A nice play there. 2 away. With that, a look at the batting order for the Marlins. Stepping in and ready for another
Now
shot,
batting.
Catfish
Left
Brown.
fielder.
0 for 1 here in the early
Brown.
going. Hopped up. Reynolds on the move. He makes the play. Really had to hustle to get to that one. 2 gone now. In is Gerardo Parra.
Now
0
batting.
for 1 for him here
Center
in this one.
fielder, Gerardo Parra.
Come on, fellas. Let's go.
He's ready with the 2-2 pitch. Tries to go the other way as this is in the air to left field. Brown comes on now and puts it away for the 2nd out of the inning. Digging in once again, Catfish
Now batting.
Brown. No
Left
hits
fielder.
in 2 trips to the
Catfish
plate for him in the ball
Brown.
game. First delivery to him on the way. A fastball down near the shoe tops.
Now, I'm sure these infielders know it, but this hitter can burn down the baseline. So if he puts a ground ball in play, the defense is going to have to make a perfect turn to turn 2.
And this is on the ground to short. Could be 2. Echeverria for 1. On to first, but not in time as he's in there ahead of the throw. Giancarlo Stanton now. It's
Now
been an
batting.
0 for 2 effort
fielder.
for him to this point.
Giancarlo Stanton.
Runners on the move for second. Hit hard on the ground to short. He's got it. And now a jump throw against his body. But the throw bounces on him at first, and the inning's going to continue.
Well, Matt, that's the 6th game. He's got a base hit in now. You got to start a streak somewhere. I start paying attention about 6 games. He's swinging
Now
about pretty
batting.
good.
Catcher.
Come on, big guy.
JT
Ready once again,
Realmuto.
JT Realmuto. He's 0 for 1 thus far. 2-2 count. Here it comes. Takes this the other way to right. That's in there. Base hit. And they are on the board as the run scores from second to narrow the gap to 3-1 now.
2 out, 2 strikes, down to the last strike of the inning, and he's able to hang in there and drive the ball for a base hit. Good job of battling right there.
Riding in once again, Catfish Brown, as he'll look to bring home that tying run from second with a base hit into the outfield.
All right, here we go.
Trying to hold the lead. Here's the delivery. First pitch fastball off the plate there, and it's ball 1. That swung on and missed. We're even at 1-1.
Man, he's got a good fastball. He showed it off right there. He blew it right by him.
Well, they'll run this one in on him, and he can't connect, so he finds himself down 1-2 now.
I'll tell you, he just doesn't look comfortable in the box to me tonight. He's been off balance with his swings, and that one completely tied him up.
And this is fouled back and out of play.
That's a big fastball, obviously, and we're going to see this reliever throw it a lot.
In the dirt here. The throw will go to third, and he's going to make it up to third here as he advances on the wild pitch. From the belt, the pitch. Not where he wanted that fastball to be, and it's 3-2 now.
Well, right here, this is what you live for. When you know you got a great hitter behind you, you're getting a good count. He's in a count right here, and just look for your pitch. You know they got to come after you.
And this one misses here. A close pitch on 3-2, but Clyde Washington rules it ball 4.
Well, that was a slider in a 3-2 count, and it just didn't tempt him enough to get a good swing. A good job of pitch recognition and knowing the strike zone to draw the free pass there.
Ready for another shot now. Giancarlo Stanton. We'll see if he can come through in a clutch spot here. 2 on, 2 out here in inning number 6.
Hey, one time.
Ready to deliver the 1-2. There he goes. Swing and a miss. Blew the fastball right by him, and the inning is over. Marlon Strand a pair. Ready for another chance. Adeiny Echeverria. He's 0 for 2 thus far in this one.
Echeverria.
Hey, got 2 here.
1-1. Here it comes. Pulls this one in the air out to left. Brown moves over. He makes the play, and that'll end the inning. Some more of the colorful characters here at the ball. Digging in to try it again. Catfish Brown.
Fielder, Catfish Brown.
Ready with the first pitch. Here it comes. Takes a knee-high fastball.
That's a big pitch right there. Now he's got him 0-1. And he still may not be comfortable. Even 0-1, he's still a pretty good hitter when he's down the count. This is a big pitch right here.
From the stretch. Slapped hard the opposite way. And that finds the outfield grass for a base hit.
Everyone knows that this guy's numbers are not where he wants them to be so far this year, but you never know by that swing. He looked fluid and confident, driving that pitch for a double. We'll see if that gets him going a bit.
Ready now, Giancarlo Stanton.
Now batting,
He struck out swinging in his last trip to the plate.
Stanton.
Hey, keep it going right here. Keep it going.
Ready with the 0-1 pitch. Chopped in front of home plate. And he is out on the tag.
Hey, he's trying his hardest to help his guys get back into the game, but this time he had no shot. Applaud the hustle, but the decision was a costly one.
Now at the plate, JT Realmuto. He represents the potential tying run if he can launch one or find a way around the bases.
Yeah, Matt, I kind of doubt he's thinking about going yard, even though that would be the best result they could hope for. He's not a long ball threat, and he knows it. so he could just be looking for some way to keep that line moving.
Step on the bag for one. On to first, and he rolls a double play ball to end it here as this ball game is over.
And he puts a bow on this one to end it. How about his 25th save of the season? He's proven to be a solid tool at the back of the bullpen, and every team needs one of those.
5-2 the final score tonight. On a balmy summer night in the Rocky Mountains, the show comes to you from Coors Field in downtown Denver. Tonight, the second of three to start. John Gray is on the mound for the Rockies in this one. HR, what's the word on him?
Batting third.
Well, Matt, last outing, solid outing. Gave him
Catfish,
6 full innings,
Brown.
but he took the loss. But if you give this club that kind of a quality outing, a lot of times you're going to walk away with a W. If he does that again this game, I think he's got a chance to win.
Harold, as we take a look at the Rockies starting play here tonight, well, they've been playing some pretty good baseball, 5-2 over their last 7.
Matt, it's always nice to play at home, and to win the first game of a series makes it even extra special. They just got to go out and play real well and maybe keep the streak going.
Digging in, Giancarlo Stanton. He's a long ball threat, of course, currently number 4 in the National League home run race. He's running towards second. Hit the other way out toward right field. And Gonzalez will make the catch, and the inning is over. 1 left for Miami. And now the Rockies look at the plate. Catfish Brown.
Left fielder, Catfish Brown.
Now he gets on top of one here and chops it foul right at home plate.
One time right now.
Set to deliver the 0-1. Changeup gets him out in front for strike 2.
Boy, he juked him out of his shoes with that changeup. Stood almost no chance of doing anything with it, but it probably looked good coming in.
And a fastball swung on and missed, and the side is retired. Leave one. Here's Charlie Blackmon now.
The center fielder,
Past
number 19.
battles with Edinson
Charlie
Volquez.
Blackmon.
He's gone 2 for 6. This is hit the other way out toward left field. Brown has a read on it. 1 out. And he will scurry back to first as he'll think twice about trying to move up. Striding in, Jonathan Lucroy
next for
comes
Colorado.
into this at bat 0 for
Catcher.
1 in the ball game.
Jonathan Lucroy.
Here's the 1-1 delivery. Hit in the air to left field.
You go.
Brown is in pursuit, and that's the second out of the inning. Digging in, Catfish
Now
Brown.
back.
He's singled in
Left
2
fielder.
trips to the plate thus
Catfish
far.
Brown.
The fastball here as he'll take a look at ball 1. 1-0.
2 outs, bases empty, and I got one of my power guys at the plate. This is where you let it fly right here. Give me a home run or a double. Give me some kind of extra base hit here.
Needed to lay off that pitch upstairs, but it's 1-1.
Boy, Matt, we're watching him have great success on that exploding fastball at the top of the zone. And I'm telling you right now, you can't catch up to that. It looks great to you coming in, but you have to get your bat in the position to get on top of it. And it's just too hard to do all those things and think you're going to square it up.
Swung on and missed, and that's the final out of the inning. 1, 2, 3 go the Marlins. Halfway home, still no score. Digging in, the switch hitter,
The
Catfish Brown.
Left fielder, Catfish Brown.
Ready to deliver. Here's the first pitch. Swing and a liner, but a foul ball.
better up there. Here we go.
The 0-1 and a neck-high fastball that time.
Need you right here, huh, now?
Grounded to short. Story scoops it up. And a rather easy first out.
Wow, that's a rarity. A 1-0 game in baseball these days. Both of these pitchers pitched awfully well. It's a shame one of them had to lose this game.
And that one run held up tonight. 1-0 the final. Severino Gonzalez.
Here now is our
Earl Reynolds, Dan Plesac, Matt Best. Nothing but blue skies above as you get a look there at Coors Field in downtown Denver. Today, getaway day here in this 3-game series between the Miami Marlins and the Colorado Rockies. Into the box, Catfish Brown. And he's a guy that's not afraid to run if he gets aboard. Comes in ranked second on the team in stolen bases. They'll try and entice him with a high fastball, but he wouldn't commit. It's ball 1. These Rockies, Harold, they enter this one off a loss after winning 5 of 7 prior to that.
And, Matt, you always want to win 2 of the 3 games. I mean, today is a big game because you walk away and you start.
And the throw to first is there. The inning is over. Around the horn. Here's Nolan Arenado, hitting a little over 250 coming into action in this one.
Nolan Arenado.
Out in front as this is skied in the air to straightaway left. And that's going to fall for a base hit. And a relay to the plate. And not in time as the run scores.
They didn't score a whole lot of runs yesterday, made some adjustments today, and now they score early. Let's see how they continue to add on throughout.
Now at the plate, Ian Desmond. He'll get us going here in the bottom half of the second.
Ian Desmond.
Ready with the 1-1 pitch. This is lifted out to left. Moving under it, Brown. 1 down.
All right, time for majestic defensive alignment for the Marlins. In this day and age with analytics and the shift applied all over the field, this team is old school. They may be
at the plate, Charlie Blackmon.
Leading
He'll
out
go
for
to
the
work
Rockies.
trying to do something about breaking
Left
this
fielder,
1-1 tie.
Charlie Blackmon.
0-1 count and the pitch. Skied in the air to straightaway left. Brown is right there, and it's a very quick out number 1. Digging in for his second at bat, Nolan Arenado, looking to follow up the RBI single from his first at bat. From the belt, kicks and deals. Pulled high in the air out to left field.
You got it.
Brown is going to get there as he backs up to put it away, and there are 2 gone now. Digging in, Jonathan Lucroy. 1 for 1 after a single his first time up.
Hey, 2 here.
Set to deal on 2-2. Pulls this one in the air out to left.
Take it. Take it.
Brown is there, and he'll make the catch to retire the side. Rockies forced to settle for 1. Standing in, Catfish Brown. 0 for 1 for him here in this one.
Brown.
Up and away to start the inning. It's 1-0. Now the pitch. Slider, and this is hit on the ground out to short. Throw to first in time. 1 gone here in the 4th. So striding in, Catfish Brown. 0 for 2 on the afternoon so far. Into the windup and the pitch. High fly ball out to straightaway center. Dahl is under this one as he tucks this one away to retire the side. 4 pitches, all it takes to do in the Marlins. But coming to the plate now, Catfish Brown. He'll start things out for us here in inning number 8.
Brown.
On to the 8th now as the first pitch is a fastball that's looked at for ball 1. And the pitch. Hit hard on the ground to second. Fielded by Hechavarria. Throw on to first in time, so the leadoff man is set down to open up inning number 8. Trying to pick things up where we left off. Trevor Story. He's roped a couple of doubles in 3 trips to this point. Hit in the air out to left field. Brown is there to put it away, and the runner will be forced to retreat back to first. And he will scurry back to first as he'll think twice about trying to move up. In is the catcher, Jonathan Lucroy. And with men on base and 2 away, it feels like this at-bat could go a long way toward deciding this thing.
No doubt, Matt. A base hit here changes this game quite a bit. But
there's a swing, and he sends a ball high in the air into left field. Brown ranging back to the track, to the wall. Count with 2 away in the inning. It's a 2-run shot to straightaway left. 6th home run on the season for him, and they cut the gap here. It's now 6-4.
Well, this guy's been unhittable all year, but eventually you knew somebody would get to him. That's the first home run he's given up all year. But like all good relievers, he has to have a short memory and put it behind him.
Catfish Brown is in to start things out as he swings and misses at that one at strike 1. Here's the 0-1 pitch. Now he lifts a high pop-up, drifting into foul territory on the right side. And that's going to land foul. On its way, the 0-2 pitch. And a swing and a miss. Good pitch there for the first out here in the 9th. Here's Hechavarria now. He was retired via the ground ball last time up.
Adeiny Hechavarria.
He's got 1 hit.
Nothing in 1 count. Here it comes. And here's a ball hit in the air. Gordon is there, and quickly 2 are gone here, and it's not looking good for the home 9.
You might think it's just another win, but it's awfully hard to win in this game, especially on the road. But they find a way to get it done, and they should be very happy with this performance.
6-4 the outcome today. The Miami Marlins come out on top for their